Hi students, welcome to our online classes. Students, we have already completed our third chapter, that is plants grow from seeds. Okay? Yes or no? Very good. Have you studied? Okay. Once again, students, we will rethink it. Means once again, what we have learnt, once again we will go through it. Okay? How much we have learnt and what we have learnt from this chapter, once again we will go through this chapter. Okay? So plants, especially I said you, plants grow from seeds, or different plants or all plants will grow in everywhere. It may be desert, it may be desert, it may be mountain, it may be seashore, it may be broken wall, so it may be under the rocks. Okay, so for that, why this is possible, also I said you, because this is possible, plants need same things to grow. Okay, plants need same things to grow, so it is possible. What are the same things? Last class we have discussed. The things are sunlight, air, water and good soil to grow. So these are the things, same things, for that plant will grow. Okay students, again I said you, so this is the plants grew from the seed. After growing from a plant, plants need, so to grow a plant, plants need water, air, sunlight and good soil to grow, okay, properly. So these are the same things for which, these are the same things needed to grow all the plants. Okay students, so I will discuss. So this is the coconut and palm tree grow along the coast area. This is the coast area, and this is the pine tree. This is the pine tree. Sorry, pine tree grows in the mountain. Okay, these are the cactus plant. Cactus plants grow in the desert area. DESERT. This is the desert area. Okay, how is this possible? Because this is possible, all plants need same things to grow. And last class I also told you how the plants will grow. Plants need sunlight, air, water and good soil to grow. Okay, plants need sunlight, air, water and good soil to grow. See the, look at the picture very carefully. Okay, this is a sunflower plant. Here water is coming means water is giving to that plant. This is the root part and this is the leaf part, this is the flower part. And very carefully you see, I will once again I will explain you how a plant is growing. Okay, from air, what carbon dioxide is plant is taking. Okay, from air carbon dioxide is taking, and here sunlight is giving energy. Through this energy leaf will make foods. Okay, and from soil, roots will absorb water and minerals. You see there is a black arrow mark is given, means there all the plants is taking from the environment. First of all, root is taking water and minerals from the soil. Okay, and the leaf is taking carbon dioxide from the air, and the leaf also taking the sunlight from the air. So by taking these are the things, plants will be grow. Plants will be, or leaves will make food for the plant. After that plants will grow. How you are eating, after that day to day life you are eating and we are growing like this. Leaves also taking carbon dioxide, light energy from the air or environment, and roots will take water and minerals from the soil. After that leaves will make food for the plant, that plant will be grow. Okay students, understood? So plants need sunlight, air and water and good soil to grow. So plant take carbon dioxide from the air. This is the carbon dioxide from the air, and leaves take energy from the sunlight. Leaves take energy from the sunlight and make food. Roots take water and minerals from the soil. Roots take water and minerals from the soil. That is called water and minerals. Okay, see, roots will take where? From soil. Okay, so after that a plant will grow properly. Okay students, see once again, most of the plant grow from the seeds. Most of the plant grow from a seeds. This you see, this is a fruit. It may be apple or it may be other fruit. See inside that fruit, that seeds are there, inside the seed there is a baby plant. Last class I told you. So like this, it is a baby plant. All seeds have a baby plant inside them. All seeds have a baby plant inside them. I will show you a seed. See, it is a seeds. Okay, this is the gram. See, it is a gram. Inside gram a baby plant is there. How a baby plant is there, I will show you. See, okay, see, it is a simple seeds. After getting water and soils from the minerals, after getting water and light, a baby plant is coming out from this seeds. Okay, so this it is telling all seeds have baby plant inside them. See, this is the baby plant inside the seeds. Okay, understood, students? So this is called baby plant. When it will grow, it become a tree or a plant, big plant. Understood, students? So like this, all seeds have a baby plant inside them. Now let us see how a seed grow into a plant. Let us see how a seed grow into a plant. See, last class also I explained you through figure. See, this is the soil. Someone is putting seeds into the soil. After that, next step is a baby plant is come out from this soil. Okay. After that, when getting water and light from the environment, a plant is growing little bit. Next, see, it is having the many leaves. Okay. Then that plants becomes a small plant. Okay. And that plants become a big plant, and it's having the fruits and flower. See, it may be a apple. Okay, red is apple. So this, now we will get apple from this plant. Not apple, when we will cut inside that apple, we will get seeds. You see very carefully, these are the small black seeds. You might have seen when you will cut a apple in your home, you will get the seeds. Not only apple, different fruits or different vegetables, if you cut inside their fruit or vegetable, seeds are there. Okay, from these seeds a baby plant will be get. How a baby plant is coming, you see, it is a seeds, gram seeds. How a baby plant, this is called baby plant. How a baby plant is came out. This is a normal seed, this is a baby plant seed. How it's coming from a seeds. Okay, students, understood? So like this way we will recite a poem is given. Recite the poem, have fun. Okay, we will make fun. I like to see a thing I know has not been seen before. That's why I cut my apple through to look into the core. Because I like to see a thing I know has not been seen before. That's why I cut my apple through to look into the core. Okay, we will cut your apple, and inside apple in core or middle or center, seeds are there. Okay, it's nice to think through many an eyes has seen the bright red skins. Mine is very fast to spy the 5 brown pies within. Okay, this is the poem, and how he is telling that it is my apple and I am cutting inside that apple there is the seeds and the red skins are there. So this is a very bright skins are there. So like this a poem you have to read and you come to know. Now I will show you how we have the all seeds have inside the fruit or inside the vegetable. So I will show you, students. Let's see. You think it is a capsicum actually. Okay, it is a capsicum, but you think it is also like a apple. Okay, it looks like apple, but it is a capsicum. Now we will cut I will cut in front of you, and we will see inside that fruit the seeds are there. Okay, so let's start. Now we cut. You see student, here seeds are there. See how much seeds are there. Okay, so these are the seeds. Okay, so how apple, after cutting a apple, seeds are black seeds are there. Black seeds are there. Like this, after cutting a capsicum, white seeds are there. See, this is the seeds. Okay, these are the seeds. So now inside that seeds a baby plant is there. If you will put in this soil, if you will put in the soil, okay, if you put in the good soil, it will get a baby plant. A baby plant will come out from this seeds. Okay students, understood? Not only that capsicum, if you will cut apple, if you will cut other orange, if you will cut any other fruits, okay, mango also, then you will get a seeds inside that fruit or vegetables. That seeds having a baby plant inside them. And how a baby plant will come out? When you will put that seed in a good soil, when you will get, it will get a good sunlight and air, water, so it will grow and it will come out a baby plant. See now how a baby plant is came out from this seeds. Okay, so like this way a baby plant will be grow. So that's why called plants grow from a seeds. Okay, how a child grow from their mother's womb. Okay, like this a plant will grow from a seeds. Okay, like this a plant is grow from a baby child come out from the seeds. A plant will grow from seeds. Okay students, understood? I hope all of you understood. Now I will show you different kinds of seeds. See, seeds are many kinds, not only one seeds are there. See, this is the kidney beans you know, and this is the chico, this is the rice seeds, this is the gram seeds. Just now I show you, this is the gram seeds. Okay, this is the gram seeds, this is the corn, this is the wheat seeds, and this is the sweet lime, this is the palm. So these are the seeds are different types of, you might have seen in your kitchen or in your any other places. Again also I will show you different kinds of seeds. Here you see student. So this is the different kinds of seeds. This is the gram, this is the lemon seeds, and this is the chili seeds. Okay, these are the chili seeds and these are the gram seeds. Okay, moong seeds, understood? Moong, lemon, gram, this is the chili seeds. Okay, these are the different types of seeds. All the seeds they are having inside that baby plant. Okay, when you will put in good soil, will be give water, if it will get a good sunlight, then it will come a baby plant like this. Okay students, once again and again I am telling, try to understand. Okay, so like this it will come. So all the plants grow from their seeds. Understood? So what we have learnt? Plants are found everywhere. It may be mountain, in desert, and along the coast and too. Plants need sunlight, air, water, and nutrient rich soil to grow. Most plants grow from the seeds. Seeds are many kinds. Just now I showed you seeds are many kinds. Not only one seeds are there. Here I show you capsicum seeds. So this is the capsicum seeds. It look like chili seeds. Okay, so these are the things what we have learned from this chapter. Okay student, I hope all of you understood. So read the books, watch the video 2-3 times. Thank you students very much. Take care.